Welcome to OCHE'S Tech, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I was able to get 378.1k views and 2.6k watch hours in space of 6 days. I mean 6 days, and I'm very real about it. This is real, this is not fake. I will show you the evidence on my screen right now. You know, I work with evidence. Like I told you, I'm here to expose all the secrets on how you are going to grow your channel, on how you make money on YouTube. The secret that gurus have been using and have been excelling is a secret that I'm here to expose. So on my screen right now, you can see this is real, this is not fake. This is not a photo or people making screenshots and then be showing you other people's achievement. You can see this is a record of my screen currently, and you see where I was able to achieve this. So it is not a big deal. You too can do it. So I started this account a few days back. That was in February, and on February 18 I started working on this account, and by February 24th I was able to complete this 378.1k views and this 2.6k watch hours, and I was able to get monetized. But before then, this account is an old account. It's already accumulated some watch hours before now, but these strategies help me to achieve the requirement very fast and get monetized faster. So without wasting time, I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this result. So let's get down to business. So guys, welcome. Like I told you, I'm going to show you how I was able to get 378.1k views and 2.6k watch hours in 6 days. Like you can see on my screen right now, this is when I created my AdSense account, and you can see that the account is monetized, so it is real. And what I did to be able to achieve this result, I'm going to show you now. They are just 5 basic steps. Like I told you, they are just 5 basic steps, and you too can do it. So the number one step to achieve this result is that your YouTube account must be old. You must have old YouTube account, because old YouTube account has credibility. I always tell people that you cannot compare a success of somebody that have stayed in YouTube game or a guru of 10 years account with somebody that is just starting with a 6 months old. Their success won't be the same thing. So old YouTube account has credibility. For you to achieve this kind of result, you need an old YouTube account. And secondly, your account channel history has to be very okay. What I mean by okay is that you shouldn't have a community guideline warning, you shouldn't have a copyright strike, you shouldn't have any kind of flag on your account, because YouTube, once YouTube has flagged your account, you will have problem with that particular account, and it will be so hard for you to get views. So point number 2, your channel history has to be very okay and up to date. And also, you must have uploaded video on this account in the last 90 days, at least a maximum of 3 videos in the last 90 days. Despite you are using old YouTube account, you must have uploaded videos on this your YouTube account in the at least 3 video in the last 90 days. That also contribute to a good channel history. So you need to have a good channel history. And then thirdly, you need a minimum of 50 subscribers. For your account to be eligible to go live, you need a minimum of 50 subscribers. So if you have achieved 50 subscribers at this point, congratulations, you are halfway gone. So you can't go live without a minimum of 50 subscribers. That is YouTube requirement. So you need a minimum of 50 subscribers for you to achieve this kind of result. The fourth one is that you need a viral videos. You need video that can perform very well. You need video that can drive attention. You need irresistible videos. You need videos that can capture your audience attention. You know, that is the very important aspect of this whole tricks. Something that can capture your audience attention, something that can keep your audience traction, something that can keep them to view your videos, something that can keep them to engage. It's not just one of these boring content you make and come and post and expect people to watch. So you need an engaging video. You need irresistible content. You need content that has value to your audience. And lastly, the fifth one is that you need to restream this your viral video. Just restream your viral video on live session and definitely you will achieve this result. You need to restream it. So restreaming this video will keep your audience on live session engaged, on live stream engaged. They keep watching till the hours you've covered, and you can stay on your restream live for up to 6 to 8 hours for you to achieve this result. And mind you, it's going to take you about 6 to 7 days. Some persons get lucky, one video can get them all the requirements. So it depends on the kind of video, on the kind of content. That is why I said you need to get content that are highly engaging, highly innovative, that drives attention and irresistible, and that will now make you to accumulate a lot of viewers on live stream, and that will get you these watch hours and subscribers very fast. So when you've done all this, you'll be able to achieve this result. This is how I was able to achieve my sincerely speaking, and I got this channel monetized. So if you've learned something from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to get a viral video without copyright strike and how to restream this video to achieve this result. Have a lovely day. Thank you.